Afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 6th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles, so one puzzle's left, the JigSaw Sudoku. And this one will be number 9038. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits, should be an easy one. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. News of the day, well, we won the gold medal for the basketball. 3 against 3, yeah, this is a new basketball thing, yeah, because basketball is 5 against 5, but this one is 3 against 3. All right, enough. Let's get started. It's indicated with 3 stars. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe a 0 stars or 2 stars or 1 star. First question to you. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? See here, dual box contains the 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. More 2 dual boxes, no. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. So 2 and 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. Okay. Here, triple box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Oh, overlook this triple box. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this triple box should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the same area. So can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. Quadra box, more quadra boxes here. No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes? No. In this case, it's, by the way, it should be a 2. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already filled in. More L shapes. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1. And the 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Mark this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and nope, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in a 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be in a 2 goes there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in a 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area supposed to be there. I need a 2 in this L shape. Oh, of course, we have a 2 here. It's connected with that box. Should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and 5. Okay. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and the 4. That means we have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Let me see. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Supposed to be there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be a 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. I think, well, these 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 1. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Come on. Well, come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2. I think no. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. This box can be a 1, can be 2, but also can be a 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 4 then. Okay. And then, well. 3 and 5. I overlooked something. Come on. Well, I'm stuck here. Cannot believe this. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, no 2 here. this box cannot be a 2, can be a 4, so 1 or a 3. Okay, 1 or 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I cannot place here. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I cannot place the 3 here because if I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box can be a 3, can be a 1, can be 2, can be a 4. So should be definitely a 5 here. Yeah. So 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. Okay, now 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 or a 3, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 1. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 2 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes, told you. Should be a 0 stars. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Bye-bye.